Let's talk about the workshop. The title is TechFirst 2.0 and the type of workshop. What is the theme of workshop is about the basic knowledge of tech. And at last, at the end of the workshop, we will do the recruitment process through this workshop for our organization. The workshop lasts up to 18th of October, which is up to Sunday, and the timings are 6 to 7 p.m. It is 1 hour. And to follow. So it's strange, guys, but we have to follow these set of instructions when we are in the meeting. Try to be active in the group, and you will definitely get updates and meeting links in the WhatsApp group. But try to be active in the session also. So try to give as many as replies you can give, so that the session will be more interactive. And if you are having any queries during the session also, you can ask them. Our technical team will definitely clear them. And coming to the attendance, it will be taken every day, and it will be shared after the completion of session in the WhatsApp group. And you will have 15 minutes to give your attendance. So do not worry about attendance, but try to be in the group. I mean, try to be in the session when the session is going on. Everyone should maintain the decorum throughout the workshop, avoid spam messages in the session, and there will be some extra benefits and goodies who are consistent in the whole workshop with recruitment process, which will be revealed in the last day of workshop. So the key, okay, someone asked any certificate, okay, we'll discuss that. Let's see what will be the scale of this workshop, and we'll definitely provide you information regarding that. And the last and most important thing is try to be interactive. All the best. And coming to today's session, what's today? So you might be wondering that I have written today's name wrong, but it's not that. Today we are going to discuss about two things. The first big question in your mind, and the second thing will be interaction with our faculty facilitators. So the first one is the big question in your mind. There are a lot of questions in your mind, but I'm going to discuss about the biggest question in your mind today. And that biggest question is, what is student organization risk LPU? So many students asked me, what is risk LPU? What is the student organization? What will happen in this risk LPU? What happened in risk LPU before in the last year? What happened in risk LPU? So today we are going to discuss about student organization risk LPU in the first half, so that you will definitely get some information about risk LPU and what are you going to do in this organization. And let's get started. And this is student organization risk LPU, and you should definitely know the full form of risk. So many people, I have seen so many people who told wrong this risk LPU's full name. It's Robotics and Intelligent System Community, and it is categorized in technical, which is the first established organization in Lovely Professional University in 2010. This is 2020, and it is running successfully since the last 10 years for the students, by the students. And remember our motto. Our motto is learn, implement, and share. We are going to learn things, we are going to implement things, and we are going to share the things. And we mainly focus on four things. They are research oriented work. We always do research. We always work on real world problem statements, and that leads to technical innovation. We obviously do research and we implement it, which leads to technical innovation. And this technical innovation needs lot of brains and lot of domains. So for that, there is interdomain collaboration in which each and every domain, students from each and every domain, and if you put these three together, we will get one thing, and that is practical experience, which will definitely not happen in the class and which will definitely happen in our lab. So these are the main things that we focus on. And coming to the events or workshops that we have done in last year, I mean in my first year. So we have done 8 activities in that year, and we are going to discuss that those. And the first one is Tech First 1.2. Yes, guys, the same applies here also.
Venkatesh,
Hello,
please unmute yourself.
Venkatesh.
Please unmute yourself, Venkatesh. Someone has muted your audio. Please wait. Please wait. He's unmuting his audio.
So sorry for the disturbance. Um, Please unmute yourself. I mean, don't mute me. Okay, this is my request. Okay. Sorry. So now you can see my screen, and you can hear my voice as well. If yes, reply me yes. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Fine. Thank you. This is TechFirst 1.0, uh, and this TechFirst 2.0 is successor of this event, and the same applies there. It is a workshop based on basics of electronics and some softwares, and we coordinators train the students, and some faculty facilitators and mentors have interacted with them on the first day, and more than 350 students participated in that event, as it is a 7 days free workshop. And second one is machine learning using Python workshop. Though it is not a free workshop, but more than 100 students have been participated in that event. And it is a 6 days workshop with a trainer, which is completely oriented with the hands-on practical. The trainer taught Python and machine learning algorithms, and we distributed certificates, ebooks, and digital content. And still, the WhatsApp group is active. Whenever there is some new information regarding this machine learning using Python, we will keep that information in that WhatsApp group. And the next one is LPU Internal Hackathon, LPU IH 2020. You guys might know about Smart India Hackathon, which is a national level hackathon in India. And this is a pre-level hackathon for LPU students. And it is a 48 hours continuous hackathon. So it is a government event, but we Risk LPU students provided the technical assistance, student maintenance, and recreational activities, etc. More than 300 students participated, and it is successful event. And the fourth one is webinar on Amazon Web Services. So here you see the word webinar. So we have to, I have to tell that the lockdown started. So we started keeping webinars. So in this webinar, the special thing is Mr. N. Parith. He is an industrial expert, and we have a great live interaction with him in which more than 180 students participated, and he explained our participants and he trained us on usage of Amazon Web Services platform. So it's a great event, guys. And the next one is Ideathon 1.0. So a lot of us will face some problems, and we are having some solutions regarding technical issues and like that. So it is an hackathon for idea submission, and for that idea, it means what is an idea? An idea is a solution for a problem. In this hackathon, you have to create your own problem, and you have to create your own solution for that problem. It may lead to patent or an article, something like that, but this hackathon is the best. And the next one is Code It 1.0. It is an event for a social cause. Actually, in lockdown time, it is a pandemic situation, and there are lots of ups and downs for below average, for poor people. So we conducted an event, and the money collected by this event is donated to PM Relief Fund. And the seventh event is First Interaction, though it should come in starting, because after the recruitment we conducted this event. In this, we coordinators gave some technical knowledge on microcontrollers, microprocessors for our newly recruited people, and we have planned some recreational activities so that conversation will build up, and they will definitely know about each other. and our student organization cell, Dr. Nitin Bharatwat sir and Vinayak Mishra also interacted with them. And the next one is Women Empowerment STEM. It is a women empowerment event organized by Student Research and Project Cell. It is conducted for the exposure of innovations and research which is done by women. So only women participated in that event. And in every year we have to do some social activities, and let's see what is the activity which we done. So the activity which we did is Brighter Bee. Sounds interesting, right? So it is a great initiative by us. I mean, to bring awareness on career opportunities and school children, among school children. So we went to some random schools. We have taken permissions from their principals, and we have explained what are the career opportunities they have, what is the latest trends and technologies that we have presently in the market. So we explained about some basic things, how to do a, I mean, we know RC car, right? So we explained that we can do it, you can do it. So we provided the knowledge and some opportunities and some latest technologies like that. And financial support to COVID-19. As I discussed, COVID 1.0, we donated that amount, and we volunteered in the pandemic by procuring food and money, and the patents published. So this is one of the interesting slide, guys. Patents play an important role in engineers life. So we have to try and make as many as patents that we can, and these 10 patents have been made in single year by risk coordinators. And we are also having so many ideas, but we are not trying hard on them. So we'll definitely move towards patents, and we'll definitely publish some patents, good patents. And the next one is participation in events and competition. So guys, why Risk LPU? It is a technical organization. We will do some projects, but the projects made are not for taking pictures and videos so that our gallery will be filled. We have to take those projects into the events, into the competitions. We have to explore all over India. We have to attend out campus events, and we have to participate, and we have to bag some prizes also. And let's see what are the events that we participated in last year. So we covered maximum number of TechFest, Smart India Hackathon, e-bike racing challenge, KPIT Sparkle Pune, Texas Instruments 2019, and whatnot, everything maximum. Punjab Innovation Technology Summit, Google Cloud Contest. It is an online Google Cloud contest, and we got first place. I'll explain you about that. And e-bike racing challenge in Chhattisgarh, and AIU at Amity University, and Smart India Hackathon 2020. So guys, the main thing is we have to participate in out campus events, and we have to participate in campus events, and we have to bag as many as prizes we could. So what are the achievements by our seniors? Let's see about them. So the first one is winners of AIU, that is Anveshan Student Research Convention. They won at zonal level, and they won first place for engineering and technology category. They selected for nationals, and they awarded with memento and certificate. So here you can see three people. They are our deputy, they are our management head, our financial head, and our CEO. You can see the three of them in our single photo. And the next one is winners of a e-bike racing challenge. And this is a special part of Risk LPU. And for mechanical team, there are a lot of mechanical students. So for mechanical students, Risk LPU has a separate branch called Team Blizzards. It is a mechanical team of Risk LPU, which do all the sorts of things that mechanical students are interested, and there is a separate lab for them. So they went and participated in e-bike racing challenge held at OP Zindal University, and they bagged third prize in overall and won first place for best vehicle design and best business plan. So this is our mechanical team, you can see there. And not only mechanical, for this bike, only mechanical engines are needed, right? No, that's wrong. There is an innovation round in that. So for innovation round, we need software engineers, we need electronics engineers, we need electrical engineers. That's right, guys. So if there is a bike, there is not only need of mechanical engineers, right? The engine will be made by them. But what about the innovation round? There's definitely need of software and electrical engineers too, electronics engineers too, mechatronics engineers too, automobile engineers too. That's why I'm saying interdomain collaboration. Yes. Everything in the world is interlinked with all the departments. Yes, you're right, Loknath. And the next one is Smart India Hackathon winners. It is Team Electronica. So again, it is world's biggest hackathon, Smart India Hackathon 2019, held at Tamil Nadu. And in that, in hardware category, we are the first prize winners. So we have won also 75,000 cash prize. And here are the glimpses of that event and our team interacting with dignitaries there. And this is okay, let me get this. So here there are three guys, and this team is one of the enthusiastic team of RiskLPU. Wherever they go with their projects, they will definitely bag some prizes and they will come. See the list of accomplishments of this. There are winners at TechFest 2020 Jaipur, at finalists of Bombay TechFest 2020, won first place in Hovercraft TechFest 2019, drone racing and Cosmo Cleanse rounds. So their names are Kishan, Pratyush, and Priyansh. They tried a session yesterday also. Shiva Reddy, you stop presenting the screen. So everyone can see my screen, right? Just keep a message. Yes. No. Okay, pin my presenting screen. Okay, you can see that. Pin Venkatesh. Yes, pin that screen so that you can see. See, this team accomplished these achievements in a single year. So, guys, this is what we are going to do with our projects. We are going to do our projects and we are going to out campus events and we are going to perform. And guess what? We are going to back the prizes there. And the next one is represented LPU as academic partner at KPIT Sparkle. And in this event, we risk coordinators went there and interacted with top industrialists all over India. And this is one of the great event in which we participated in last year. And we selected for semi-final round in Texas Instruments.
Venkatesh, sorry for inconvenience. Please stop presenting and start again because it will be visible to everyone. Please stop once and start. Please, sorry for inconvenience because when you are saying the screen is not visible.
Okay, just give me a minute, guys. Sorry for the trouble. Give me a minute. Yes. 1 minute. I'm sharing. So I'm hoping that you can see my screen now. Give me some feedback. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So we have selected for the semi-final round of India's Innovation Challenge and Design Contest by Texas Instruments 2019. And the next one is here you can see us. I mean, not me, but many of the first year students in last year. That means your seniors. So this is a team Invincible. First year students at the February, I think there is an event called Youth Vibe. So our seniors gave strict instructions that we have to participate in that event and we have to definitely bag some prizes. And we tried very hard and we made it possible. The first prize and second prize was our team RiskLPU's students. That team is Invincible and Gladiators. Those are my friends, but I'm not in the picture. Okay, we'll discuss about this later. And the next one is Google Cloud. Here we can see Shanmukh Kotaru. He is our COO. He secured first place among 10K IT practitioners, and he won 15,000 rupees in Google Cloud competitions. And He's Hrithik Verma, 3D designing. He won first place in online 3D designing contest by IRC, held between students from all over India. And our next achievement is LPU always keeps competitions like One India or One World. It means we have to represent states if there is competition of One India, and we have to represent countries if there is competition of One World. And we Risk LPU represented Telangana state for One India, and we secured first position. And Risk LPU also assists second position in representing Yemen in One World competition also. And there you can see a robot which is made out of waste, and we have received lot of appreciation from Pro Chancellor ma'am and everyone. And the next one is Smart India Hackathon 2020. Guys, the team won Smart India Hackathon 2019, and they did not left Smart India Hackathon 2020 also. They have again qualified for the second round hardware edition, the team members. And the next one is Punjab Innovation Technology Summit. And Risk team stood in top 8 teams and selected for innovation in front of Punjab State Minister. And this is not a small thing. And let's see what are the projects accomplished by us. Go soil sensing and mapping. So for explaining this project, we'll definitely keep a session for explaining the projects, but this is not the time. And the second one is e-bike, Cosmoclens, drone, hovercraft, robotic arm with 3 degrees of freedom, smart IoT saline bottle, RC plane, line follow robot, smart dustbin, weapon detection using OpenCV, and many more. Solar tracker, obstacle avoid robot, master and slave, RC nitro. You can see, right? So half of the projects are done in last year. I mean, I witnessed these projects, so you can also do them. I have done some projects. I have done 4 or 5 projects, and you can also do these. You can also participate in out campus events. And the next one is, what are the ongoing projects? You might be wondering that, okay, you are having some projects in your bag. What are the ongoing projects? And we are doing cotton picking robot, Sanskar 2.0, which is a successor for Sanskar 1.0. I mean, do you know about Sanskar 1.0? Like it is an car which is made in LPU. So I mean, definitely, I think you might read about that. So if not, don't worry, we'll definitely discuss about this. And the next ones are self-driving car, autopilot drone, and image processing robotic arm. So self-driving car is already implemented, and we have to, I mean, between 2 points, there is also a self-driving car in LPU. So we are going to develop that, and autopilot drone. So we are also having a special team, as I said, who is having their own drone. So they are trying to develop autopilot system in that, and image processing robotic arm. And so what are our future plans? We are having future plans, obviously. So they are planning to conduct a national level hackathon, working towards real life problems, which we do each and every day. Okay, each and every day we'll go to some problems. Not each and every day. If you are having any problems, so definitely we'll try to give a solution. Definitely we'll try to get a solution. And we are also having a separate lab in innovation studio. We are having a studio, and in that we are having a lab, so that we can we're also having a good environment for working on these projects, and conducting practical workshops and taking step towards social events. And we are also planning to conduct a e-bike racing challenge, and working on Sanskar 2.0, and start working on self-driving cars and autonomous vehicles. So this is about Risk LPU, and this is our first segment. So I think this segment does not get bored of you. I mean, do you guys think that this is very boring? So I need to see some replies. I need to see how you are feeling. I need to see how you are feeling. Okay. Is it excited? I mean, are you excited? Are you feeling? How are you feeling? Yes, how are you feeling? Ankit Kumar said it's amazing. Okay, how are you feeling, guys? Yes, yes, I can see pretty good response. I can see pretty good response. So this is our first segment, the biggest question in your mind. So coming to the second question, interaction with, coming to the second segment, interaction with our faculty facilitators. So faculty facilitators are also our mentors. Our mentors are the strength to every event that we conduct and support us in the best possible way to make our efforts turn into successful events. And they encourage us by promoting and giving a feeling that we are part of a family, that we are not working, we are a part of a family. And we are having two mentors. And the first one is Mr. Mandeep Singh Saini. He is head of student research and project cell. Uh, he is head of student research and project cell and also represented our lovely professional university in NASA. And you might know about Metal Magna at LPU. So no, I have stopped the presentation because Mandeep Singh sir is here in the room. So we are going to we are going to interact with Mandeep Singh sir. He is one of our mentor. He is head of student research and project cell. His support we cannot describe in terms uh, of his support. I mean, if we are having any idea, he pushes us over the edge, so that we will think more about that and what are the things that we are going to implement new in that. So Mandeep Singh sir, we would like to have you, address the students. Could you please address the students, sir? Mandeep Singh sir.
Sir, sorry for the disturbance, sir. Sir, actually your mic was muted, sir. Can you unmute it, sir?
Okay, right. Hello all, and thank you, Venkatesh.
Sir, sorry, sir. Once again, it is muted, sir. Sorry, actually.
Someone is muting my mic. I think, don't know. Am I audible now?
Yeah, yes, sir. You can proceed, sir.
Okay, so whoever controlling this room, tell him they don't mute my mic. They are making putting me in on mute. Okay, thank you. Uh, I was I was saying that I'm surprised to have this much participation in the room. It's 160, wonderful, and congratulations, RISC team. You are doing a wonderful job. And all the students are from first year. Okay, good, very good. So let me tell you, students, you haven't visited university till right now because of the pandemic. And this is the, let me tell you a little bit background of the organization. This is the first student organization, technical organization of Lovely Professional University. So you can say that it is the eldest organization of LPU, and they are doing wonderful projects. They are serving wonderful applications in terms of technical projects to increase student participation, also to improve the knowledge of students also. And they are delivering free classes to the students also. So it's a great technical platform in terms of student organization. So any student want to like continue his her project, they can join, they can contact the student board members, they can be or they can join as a board member also, depending upon your completely depending upon your technical knowledge or your technical capability. So also not limited to one student organization. If some of your student like he want to serve for this some social activity, he or she may can join social organizations also. So there are a lot of opportunities. So this is, as I told you, this was the first student organization and is and continuing their services, their you can say that expand themselves in terms of doing live projects, doing patents. They are some of the members or board members or student members. They are having number of patents on their name. So it's a great achievement being a student organization. I don't think so that any student organization is having uh, patents on their name. So I once again congratulate RIST team. So being a mentor, I would like to welcome you all and would like to say that you are having wonderful platform. You are having a great platform here. They will guide you. They will handhold you. They will tell you each and everything technically, whatever they can, and whatever you want to ask technically. So you this is not limited. You people can approach us. I'm there. I'm taking care of student research and project cell in block number 39. Once you will in the university, you can approach us, but you can right now also approach us through call, through email. But initially from this risk LPU, they are always in contact with me. We are doing wonderful work. So like they are telling that it's a workshop like on basics of electronics. See, I would like to take 1 or 2 minutes for this thing. Till you people don't know what is the basic fundamental of electronics or electrical, you cannot proceed. For example, if you don't know what is a voltage or what is a current, that are the basics, and how to play with these electrons, you cannot proceed, you cannot do anything, you are not successful. So being the, like this was the example for electronics, similarly for electrical, similarly for CST. If you don't know how to apply a loop while doing a programming, nothing. So you have to work on the basic. So just hold them, just uh, ask them whenever you want to ask them. They will be available for you. They will provide you whatever notes you want or knowledge you want, or whatever knowledge they are carrying, they will definitely share with you. So it's a wonderful free platform. You people will be taught the basics of electronics, the basic projects starting, which we already, which we this is a, you can say that a culture of risk LPU. They always put first year students onto basic projects. So the picture has been started. So you need to back up, you need to cheer up and start learning from them. Right, Venkatesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are very happy to have you in this interaction. Thank you for your insightful words. I can see here the chat box is direct going up, and going on. Like, thank you, sir. Great, sir. So it is
So
very motivated for us also, sir. Thank you very much for your.
I will look on to the chat box also later on, and will try to provide the answer, the question, answer to the question, whatever on the my side they will be. You just approach me, whatever the students. Someone was writing like how to
Sir,
approach, and I can tell you everything, beta. I'm I'm uh, I'm there with the students of Risk LPU, and they will provide you, guide you, and you can approach them at any time. They are very wonderful students. They will guide you. They will teach you definitely. Right. So there is the uh, no hurdle. I think to approach them to start a project, to, you can say that to convert your idea into a product. So all the facilities will be provided to you. You just have the courage, you just have the patience to carry your idea for a long time. That's it.
thank you, sir. Thank you for those words. So, guys, You can see, you can hear the Mandip sir's words. Those are facts that he is available for us up to midnight. Also, whenever I called him, he will definitely give a, immediate response, and he will clear all my doubts. And not only him, if you want to you know how to contact us through WhatsApp. Yes, sir. We have given our contact information and everything. If anyone tried to contact us, we'll definitely share their contacts with you, and we'll definitely share their questions to you. And we will make a good connection with you, within you and students, in the best possible manner. And thank you so much, sir, for attending today's session.
Thank you, dear. Continue your session. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So, guys, here's our first mentor, and I feel entitled to welcome Mr. Ruhul sir, who is associate professor and who has been a good friend for Risk LPU, who motivates the students with their insightful words. Over to you, sir. Ruhul sir, are you there? Try to address the students. Ruhul sir, I think.
Okay, Venky, Sar is facing some network issue. So just talk for 5 minutes. He will be in. Okay, when he is in, I will inform you. Carry on.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So we have to talk, right? Okay, I'll talk. I'll definitely talk.
Proceed if you have any content for the next session.
Lakshmi Nagaraju, actually
I'll
you are
start from-
presenting, Lakshmi Nagaraju. So could you please stop presenting so that I start presenting and I show something?
Okay, Venkatesh. Now we have Ruhul sir in the room. Let's welcome him. Over to you, Venkatesh.
So I feel entitled to welcome Mr. Ruhul sir to motivate the students with their insightful words. Ruhul sir has been always a friend to Risk LPU, and he always motivates the students towards projects, and he drives us towards success. So over to you, Ruhul sir.
Thank you, Venkatesh, for your kind introduction. And you have actually introduced much more, not like a friend. I am always there for you. For the Risk LPO. Good evening, everyone. To all the freshers. I think Venkatesh here, everyone is freshers, right? From the first year students.
Yes, sir. And there are from many domains. They are from civil,
Okay.
they are from automobile, CSEC. Yes, sir. They all are freshers.
Okay. Thank you, Venkatesh. So, guys, you are going to join Risk LPO. Risk LPO in the sense it's like LPO is a brand. Risk LPO is similar to kind of not that level, but yes, Risk LPO has made its name through its work and efforts, and not by the faculties or any other one, only by the students. The students coordinators especially, they work very hard in the actual sense in the terms of technology, not in the terms of organizing any event, but in the terms of technology. They are so rooted and sound with the technology that any students, in order to join the Risk LP, he or she must have that kind of enthusiasm or zeal to compete or to go along with my existing students. So as you have registered yourselves for this, so I hope that you have that kind of zeal to be okay. We are now freshers, and we have entered the world of engineering. Now we get to know the basic things. You have actually opted the right platform, Risk, because Risk, the actually seniors guide. One thing keep in mind, you have entered the engineering and you will get the faculties who are actually going to teach you, like us, we are going to teach you. But the information you get from your students, from your seniors, are more, you can say, you can more connect with them because they know how to do the things rightfully. So for this, actually, you are going to go through some kind of, you can say, we have our recruitment process test, like all other things. Like every other year, we actually do, you can say, in a very good manners, like we welcome all the students, and after that we have various selection process. But this time we are going to do virtually. But one thing we have not changed, or we have not considered it, and we have not actually tried to eliminate, is the direct recruitment process, and the process of actually providing the asking the students asking to do the projects, and later they should we should actually analyze them on the basis of the projects they have provided. Mohammed, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
So actually we are going through similar kind of you can say process, because we don't want to judge the students in a right way. We want to just to ask them to do, make them comfortable in our organization, like giving them the simple projects, and we want to just know if they have the simplest form of concept in that, because you are freshers, so we don't expect that the n number of engineering way, from maybe from electronics, all the ICs and all. But actually that's why we are giving you the platform. We will make you understand, okay, these are the things, basic concepts. We'll provide you the basic concepts, and after that we will ask for simple projects, and you have to pass, provide do that projects and pass the test. After that you will get to enter. So frankly speaking, like every year we have 250 200 students registered through us, but only if you actually able to join us. You can say approximately this time also will take only 30, maximum 35. Not like that we are going to just, it's a selection process and we have the term 30. Just because after giving you the concepts, we actually raise our bars. We are actually raise our expectation that, okay, we have given our best to our students. Now we expect that, okay, our students have the zeal to work on it. Got my point? So I only just want to say best of luck, all the best. And I know, and trust me, you are going to, in your initial stage, you are going to join one of the best student organization in LPU we have, and you will never regret, because in every step of your engineering courses, you will find that this organization not only mold you in the terms of technology, but also in all other aspects that you want to become a professional. Okay, so guys, carried on, and in the last end I will be there to judge who are the students who have actually responded to our hard work, and we will then able to welcome him in our group. Okay, thank you very much. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. I don't know about juniors, but we felt very motivated by your words. Thank you for your support, sir. Since the starting, I am seeing you from the starting when I'm joined. So it's an immense support from your side, sir. Thank you. And juniors, you might hear my words also with SAR's words. So you might get an idea how supporting SAR is. So thank you so much, sir, for addressing this question. And
thank you, Beta, and all the best. And to all the coordinators of my Risk LPU, you are doing well, as you always do. And this times I have not expected that you are going to do this recruitment in this manner, because I have told you, I have talked with Bharat also, that we are going to launch this recruitment in the January. But the way you have come up with this idea, going virtually, and actually making up your time to give your concept to the students, and that's the best thing I loved about Risk LPU. So all the best, and all the best to all of you. All the best, freshers. I hope you will do your best and be a part of our organization. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So guys, what will be the parameters for the selection? So that's a good question. So first of all, be consistent in the workshop. So interest matters a lot. We, as Sir discussed, there has to be gene to achieve something, to make something. So that gene is important in everyone. So we will definitely filter. So don't worry. Participate in the session. Try to be more interactive. Okay. You will definitely get selected. Do not worry about the selection, guys. So as I discussed about Metal Magna, I don't think you have seen it, right? So we are having still 10 minutes. If you are okay with that, I'll definitely show you the Metal Magna. I mean, in Google only. Okay, okay, that's a pretty good response. Okay, I'll. So here you can see this is Metal Magna, which is designed by mechanical engineering students.
Venkat,
Yes, sir.
Venkat, I want to add one more thing with the students. Share one more thing. Okay. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
Metal Magna, right? Whatever you were showing, Metal Magna, which is 54. One more thing, important thing is that as Venkat told that, okay, this is the actually prepared by the student of mechanical engineering. But trust me, guys, more than mechanical engineering, this is the hard efforts of CSC and EC. Because during ISC, I still remember that the students of EC, E and CSC especially, from RISC, Alpu and the SRPC, those students have done welding, grinding, everything. Even some students have moved on into designing, 3D design. So in our group, we have approx 90 students. Out of 90, only 15 are from mechanical engineering, and rest all the students are from CSC and EC Triple E. Okay, so like I want to convey the message that our organization RISC LPU truly believes in interdisciplinary action. So it's not like that you are from EC and you will go and get EC. Don't think about like this. If you think so, then this is not the right place for it, because it's an interdisciplinary place and you will get to know all other things. Even maybe the time comes when you are happens to do the welding work, and don't like that we will give you a welder and just do that. Not like that. We'll make you learn how to do the welding. This is means in some case when we just need someone. That's the case. That's a rare case, just like happens in Metal Magna. So this is also one important note for all the students. Be prepared for such kind of things also, because if you are in RISC LPU, anything, any discipline can comes in front of you, and you can't be able to say no, because we are recruiting the students who are actually open to engineering, not open to academic subjects, who are actually open to engineering. Okay, thank you guys. Venkat, show.
I was about to say that, sir. So, I mean, I started this is designed by mechanical, but that is wrong. So, it is one of the finest example for inter-domain collaborations hard work. So, as we discussed it, guys, we mainly focus on 4 things, and one of the thing is inter-domain collaboration. And I'm again repeating, inter-domain collaboration leads to technical innovation and practical experience. So, it is the gateway for everything, inter-domain collaboration for brainstorming. Thank you, Rahul sir. Thank you very much for your insightful words. And
Welcome.
it's 6:53 now. So I think you saw Metal Magna, right? Uh, did you see that? Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. I'll share it now. Okay. Here it is Metal Magna. As Rahul sir told, it is hard work of each and every domain, not only mechanical engineering. So this is Metal Magna, which is which last, I mean, it's up to last year, I think. I mean, up to February. Now we are having a military tank in this place. So this is Metal Magna. And
Bhaiya, would you explain the selection process one more time, please?
okay,
Yes.
please unmute. Please mute your mics. Okay, please mute your mics. So as we discussed, as I discussed, wait 1 minute. I'll present. See, to follow. Everyone be active in the group. Attendance will be taken every day. But the extra benefits for those who are consistent in the whole workshop, revealed in the last day of the workshop. These are the things that we are going to follow.
Venkatesh, sorry for the interruption. Priyansh bro is trying to speak something. I was able to see him, but he is mute.
Okay,
No, bro, I don't think.
Okay, sorry. Venkatesh, you can proceed.
So the main thing is for there is no such procedure called recruitment procedure. I mean, there is a protocol. It means you have to be consistent in the whole workshop. At the end of the workshop, we might keep a quiz for you about what are the contents that we have discussed in this workshop. So that is pretty basic quiz. So you can easily attempt and you can easily qualify. So don't worry about the quiz and don't worry about the recruitment process. If you are keenly interested and if you are consistent, we will definitely get to know about you. So try to be active in the group, try to contact our admins, try to interact with us. So it will definitely lead the way into the organization. And if you are having no more doubts, it is already 6:56. I will close this by telling what is going to.
One second, Venkatesh.
Okay.
Any of you guys are having doubt that how this risk organization will help you in your future or anything like that, take my words for now. We will, all seniors will share our experience. Take my words for now. Like whosoever will come in this organization, definitely you will have like many, your skill set, what you say, skill set will be much way more superior than your classmates who are not in any workshop or workshop or means any organization. And the second thing, many of you I have heard that require are asking for certificates. Certificates, we have think that thought that we will give it, but only to those who are having 100% in this 100% attendance in this workshop. Okay.
And guys, up to now Priyansh bro talked. So let me tell you about him. So I have said that there is an enthusiastic team in RiskLPU who backs the prizes wherever, whichever competition it is. So he is, that's him, Priyansh Jain, our team's technical head. Over to you, Priyansh. I mean, if you are going to talk anything, please talk.
So that I will share all the things I will share my achievements and everything. I will share it on the day which you have decided. Let's okay. If we have if you guys have 5 to 10 minutes, let's see how. First of all, in this schedule we have incoming time, no outgoing time. Okay, means we have fixed time for coming to our labs or right now digital in these video calls. But we have no time for ending it. Okay, is that correct? Yep. Someone is mentioning whole night. Yeah, we have spent nights in labs also. Like we are going to room at 1, 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay. And it's if anyone, if you have any doubt regarding risk, regarding today's workshop, you can ask anything related to college or even you guys. Venkatesh, are you are done with the today's content?
Yes, I have done with today's content. I was just opening the schedule schedule PDF to say what's tomorrow.
So now I think, see guys, I told you in starting also, no sir or nothing like that. Just call me bro, bhaiya, and anything you prefer. Even you can call it my name, Priyansh. Okay. So now I think you can turn on your mics and directly say any questions
Hello.
or yeah.
Bro, how can we mark attendance?
That we will tell you, yeah, this is not class or this is today's first day. We can even give relaxation. Like many of your friends have not joined, so today I think we will not even like because the content was like we will start by tomorrow, introduction and everything. So today we will update you in the group. Don't worry about the attendance, please. This is not your class. Okay, this is organization.
Hello.
Here we have fun.
Would we able to play with hardwares in workshop?
Definitely, you will be having fun with hardware and everything. Don't worry about that.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I know more about Metal Magma?
Yeah. Yes.
I am interested in it. It looked
Yeah.
awesome.
Venkatesh?
Yeah, if you are very interested in it, actually, I said about that ongoing soil sensing and mapping. So that project and Metal Magna, and there are some few more interesting projects which can be discussed with you. So I think we'll plan a session for those kinds of projects if you are very interested in it. So don't worry, guys. We'll definitely plan something on that. So as this is a virtual thing, we can do whenever we are having time. So don't worry about that. Let's complete this workshop successfully, and don't worry, guys. So that's from my side. Over to you, Priyansh, bro.
So if you are having like doubts about any projects, you can go and literally search on internet. You will get the LPU name with all the details of the project and everything. Like each or not only risk or not only risk organization, each and every organization in LPU is very active in making this. So you will find each and every information on web online, and if you like any project, and you can take that project.
What kind of projects will be doing the freshers? For example.
Yeah, we are open to any kinds of project you want to make. See, right now we are in this lockdown situation, so I think all of you might not be able to get the hardware or support you need in the terms of software.
Resources.
So right now we have not decided anything for you. Else we would have made a common projects or team. We would have made teams out of you and gave you some projects. So, but due to these conditions, we are not giving you any projects. But if you have the hardware and if you think you can make, so you can contact any of admins in the group, and they will like guide you to and how we can help you. Yeah. Can we make some programs as well? Programs in which term you are talking about? Programs, softwares? Are you encryption? Softwares, yeah, you can make, but that requires practice and patience. I might say that. Can we do any web designing? Yes, you can do. See, you can do everything. We are here to help you.
Research कैसे करते हैं?
Research कैसे करते हैं? Like, this is research is like, okay, I will tell you when we were working on robotic arm. Initially, I, Pratyush, and one of my senior, we three started with the working of robotic arm. We read research papers, what research has been done prior to us, what thing we wanted. Then we started experiment with the hardware, and then eventually come to a like design and everything. So this is a kind of research. Okay. You will read.
Okay, I got it. उसको पेटेंट ऐसा कुछ करना रहता है, उसके बाद उसके थीसिस ऐसा कुछ लिखना रहता है शायद.
Yeah, if your design is unique, yeah, and you can get it patented. LP will help you.
पेटेंटेड
Hello,
मतलब
bro.
इट मतलब
Hello.
उसका राइट आपके साथ बिलोंग करेगा.
हेलो
या काइंड ऑफ.
Yeah,
हेलो.
yeah.
इसमें इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग आ सकता है इस ग्रुप में?
कौन सी?
इलेक्ट्रिकल
Which?
इंजीनियरिंग, ईई इंजीनियरिंग,
Sa-
इलेक्ट्रिकल.
all engineers are required in this branch. It is interlinked. Okay. We have place for electrical as well as mechanical. You name it, and we have a place for you. Okay.
भैया
Yeah.
Excuse me, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. So I have kept an attendance form in the chat box. So hurry up, guys, and mark your attendance there. So
Guys,
since
do
lot of friends-
not message in chat for like 4 or 5 minutes. Okay. Venkatesh also put this form in WhatsApp group for today. Not
Yeah,
from tomorrow.
I'll definitely keep the link in WhatsApp group if anyone's already left. So don't tell them to don't worry. And what about BCA students, guys? See, someone asked about research. So we are having internet, right? So research oriented means we are going to search everything. We are going to learn. We are going to research. Research means it doesn't mean that we are creating new things. The things which are already there, we are going to study them. We are going to implement them in our projects. So don't worry, guys. This is the first day of our interaction. So tomorrow, lot of seniors are going to interact with you, which are who are having great achievements. So I'm saying great, literally great. So they have done some wonderful projects, and they are going to discuss their experiences with you. And sooner or later, we are going to start our workshop with basic tech information also. So how to watch this recorded session, don't worry. We will update you everything in WhatsApp. So if you are having any other queries, don't ask about unnecessary things. If you are having any good query, please do message for the group admin personally, so that your doubts can be clarified. Selection process, do not worry about selection process at all. So try to be very interactive and try to be active in this in these types of meetings, and we will do something, and there will be a quiz at last. So don't worry about that. Okay. It's already 7:07. Attendance for today. I have already sent the Google Docs list. So no, today there is no quiz, unfortunately. So Hani Singh. Okay, thank you everyone. So you
I
can
have
leave.
a question.
Venkatesh, are you going to end this meeting, or I can do? I am free. Like my timing is from my company is over, so I am free. So I can stay here. If anyone has questions, I can answer them.
Yeah, sure. If anyone are having some questions,
Yes.
What
Anybody
will
have their questions,
workshop?
they can ask, but the session will be end by now. So
Yeah.
Yeah, those who are interested and want to know more things about, you can be here. You can interact with Priyansh Bro.
What will happen in workshops means what are the things we will be able to do, or
Okay.
we will be doing?
Yeah, in this workshop, this is just an introduction to everything. Okay, this
Yeah.
is everything, each and every technology. Then you can either select a specific one, or you can be like do general in all the things. And for the future workshops, it will be more specific and like to us like targeted ones.
Specific in the sense, what are the categories to be specific?
Like it will be a targeted one. For example, Venkatesh told like machine learning, machine learning with Python. So it is specific topic like machine learning with Python. So this kind of workshops. Okay. So this is just an introduction because you don't know anything, you don't have any base right now. So just to build that. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
भैया, thank you.
भैया
Yeah.
मुझे चैटबॉट्स के बारे में जानना है, आप बता सकते हैं क्या ये चैटबॉट्स क्या होते हैं?
Chat.
Same query.
बता सकता हूँ like, but right now I don't think this is the correct place to answer that question. Okay, because that will be more into
Okay, भैया.
deep CSE part, not of this part. So I will answer it. No problem. I will answer it
Can I
later.
contact you later? Can I contact you later after the meeting?
Yeah, you can message me. I will, or maybe I will just take after this workshop. I will tell you about this
Okay. Okay.
chatbot thing. Once this 6-day workshop.
Okay.
So please mute your mics. Please mute your mics if you are having disturbance around you. If you are having disturbance, one by one, yeah, he's telling one by one. So all of you clear your doubts if you are having any. So
Yeah, I have interest in robotics and which specialization is.
Bro, you are muted by someone, or you are muted yourself. Anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
Bro. I have interest in robotics, but what specialization is best in CSE to go through robotics?
What specialization is best in CSC to go through robotics?
Yes. Yes, bro.
Wait, just complete 6-day workshops and you will have some idea, then I can guide you. Else you will be more confused. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No,
Okay,
sir.
bro.
Please.
Bhaiya, you were talking about some lab. You told about the timing part.
Yeah.
What lab is that?
Actually, it's an innovation studio in Risk LPU.
Yeah, but I think there are specific requirements to join that.
No, bro, no. Listen to me. Once this innovation studio, we have a specific lab is assigned to Risk LPU. There we have total control over that lab, who can enter it, who cannot, and so on. So don't worry about that. Okay. And the timing, like for what I have done in my first year, lab used to be in block number 25. So we went lab after 5, after 5, when the classes get over, we directly go to lab and go to room at like 2 in the morning. So that is a fun you guys are missing. Okay.
Yeah. Greatest regret.
That is, yeah, this pandemic, this was the fun. Like I also started like you with this kind of workshop. Was taken by our mentor Vikas Khan sir. Okay. Any more questions? Do we need some prerequisites that we start working? And yes, interested in basic science. Ritik Verma, Bhaiya, do we need some prerequisites so that we can start working? What do you mean by prerequisite, and on what you want to start working?
Yeah, I'm answering the question, not asking questions. Somebody asked that what we need, then I said that you just need the interest and science knowledge, basic.
अच्छा तो भैया लिख के क्यों?
Yes. I just want to add one point to it. See, the main motto of this workshop is not to give the full knowledge in depth, just to motivate you guys and to bring some curiosity and enthusiasm in you guys, because you are freshers, right? You are having interest and you are having ideas to work, but many of you are not having enough knowledge. So to provide that basic knowledge and to give you some motivation and to bring overall an awareness of projects and competitions, we are organizing this workshop. So this is the main motto of our workshop.
भैया,
yeah,
अगर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, मैं उसके ऊपर वर्क करना चाहता हूँ.
Bro, let me clear it to every one of you. Here at Risk, we have one rule: we will converse in English, because we have friends from South and even from different countries also, so they cannot understand Hindi, right? So please make sure you always converse in English when we are talking to everyone, when everyone can hear us.
Okay, bhaiya, sure. For example, if I have an idea and I want to research or experiment on it, then what
Yeah.
should I do as a fresher?
Okay, as a fresher, first like read about your idea. See, whenever you will start in a field, you will be a fresher. Okay, so start with reading what has till now what has been done in that field. Now see where your idea stands and try to bridge that gap. How you will like once you have read the research done till that point till now where is your idea and how you will cover that. That part is the main thing. Just read
Yeah.
and implement what already has and go from there. Okay, that will be easy part. This is a one way
Okay.
to cover it.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bro, can you tell me about patents and how can we patent our idea?
Patents are like if you create any new thing or like a thing which has not been created till now, and you think it's like it's going to help society or in any kind. LPU will help you for patent means no one can copy that thing. If you get the patent, you have the sole right to manufacture that thing. Okay.
Okay, LP will help me to patent
Yeah,
my
LPU
idea.
will definitely help you. LPU will expedite your process of patent and everything. Okay.
But I think it will be quite rare, getting new ideas.
No,
I
it's
think.
not that. It's not that rare. If you will go and see, like patents are filed every few seconds or something like that, every few minutes. Patent are filed that fast.
Nice to
Okay.
know.
Bro, every student who is attending this workshop will be get recruited in this risk LPU.
Unfortunately, no, because let me tell you, like, uh, uh, okay, total about 300 students registered. Okay, out of that, 160 joined. So you can see the ratio, and like this ratio will continue, and only like 10% of you will end in risk LPU. This is the unfortunately, this is the reality. Only 10% of you will come in this risk. Let me be very clear to you. It's not like that we have set any number like we will recruit only 10 or 20. We can recruit as many as we want, but the sad reality is only 10% of you will come.
Like you will be recruiting on the basis of our attentiveness and active participation in the workshops, bro.
Yeah, active participation and like your you want to learn or like that's our criteria that depends upon us. I don't want to reveal everything and right now.
See, just don't feel it like attendance. Like we just want to test your curiosity and interest. We just want to filter some interested students out of you people. For that purpose, we are taking attendance. So don't feel like just giving attendance and I want to be a part of risk. It's not like that. Those who are really interested, for them, we promise you that we'll provide a best platform for you.
See, attendance criteria is just that just because see you are freshers and you will come. You might feel at the starting 1 or 2 days that it's going above our head and we don't want to be part of it. But believe me, at the start you will feel like this and then it will be like fun and you can understand it more easily. Okay, any more?
So yeah, are you prepared for any project? Even?
Sorry, bro, your voice was breaking. I cannot understand.
You have work on any project?
Bro, till now,
wait, I'll tell. I have been telling in the presentation also, and I have mentioned that he is Priyansh. And if you listened correctly in the presentation, I have clearly mentioned that whichever competition it is, Tech Fest, anything, if his team went there, they will definitely bag a prize. And they worked on a lot of projects, and I'm saying he's our technical head. So I leave it to your imagination that how many projects he done and how much knowledge he has. So whatever doubt we have, there will be definitely some theory at him. So don't worry. I mean, there are a lot of projects. I mean, it's an interesting topic. It's like a sea. if we keep on going inside the sea, there's a lot of information and there's a lot of knowledge. So try to ask something informative, guys. It's already 7:20 and there are 53 students. So if you are having any queries, you
Yeah.
can ask now.
And just to